Good morning, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca here with a live trading room special alert for the mini S&P. The last on the mini S&P is 2945.50, up 28 points. The VC PMI, artificial intelligence, has activated a short signal at the close of 2947.25 at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The signal has activated the target, the first target below of 2933. And if you have multiple positions, the second target or the main target is the mean of 2917. If it closes below 2917, it's activating the targets below the mean of 2906 levels of support to 2888 by 2 level. The signal right now has activated about a 95% probability that the reversion to the mean will occur, which means that the market has a 95% mathematical probability that the reversion could unfold coming back down to 2917. This is the highest level, the highest probability signal. So in terms of using the stop, we don't want to use a standard straight stop. What we teach our traders here at the Academy is basically to have a stop according to the way that you manage your risk. And for the purposes of this trade, you can choose the conservative risk if you want to stop yourself out on a close above the 2948 level using the 15-minute bar. A more aggressive approach is basically to wait for the close. So you can use the market on the close stop. You're taking the risk of carrying the position until the end of the day. When you're looking at a probability factor of 95% from here that the reversion could unfold back down to 2917, it gives you the flexibility that if you want to carry the risk to the end of the day, you can do so. So you have 2 levels, 2 stops. In fact, if you're an aggressive trader, multiple trader, you can take you can take 2 contracts. One contract you use a stop on a close above, and the other one you can hold on to at market on the close. The artificial intelligence basically gives you the flexibility for you to have a third stop as well, which is a catastrophe stop that you always want to have underneath any signal, and that is that if the market goes against you by 10 points, you get out at the market. 10 points and the E-min equals $500. That is my catastrophe stop. So the flexibility of the intelligence of the VC PMI gives you 3 choices of stops. All the stops are on the close. They're not straight stops. 90% of the people use straight stops, and those stops are usually taken out automatically. The market may go through the stop, take you out, and come back down again, which is the reason why the artificial intelligence tells you to wait for the close, even if the market goes through that level. And in this case, it did at the sell 2 level of 2948 by making a high of 2949. And that gives you the setup. So this bullish trend that was activated on the close at 7:30 above the sell 1 now has been completed. This pattern has been completed. And now the pattern has reversed and has activated a short signal. As a trader, I tell you to use the highest probability that the VC PMI artificial intelligence tells you, and that is essentially to execute a trade if you're looking at the sell 2 level at a 95% probability. And that's exactly what the signal is. I wanted to do the special report and see if you can follow from here the real live intelligence of the algorithm, the VC PMI, automated algorithm.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, VC PMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VC PMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VC PMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VC PMI algorithm. The VC PMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VC PMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VC PMI? The VC PMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VC PMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VC PMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.